What's going on, traders? Welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video, guys. It's been 2 to 3 days, you know what I'm saying. So guys, today video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to find this trade right here, GBP NSD. And this trade right here, guys, I shared in a free group, and many members, guys, they did make money from this trade right here. And I want to thank you. I want to say thank you, guys, for your who've been saying thank you to me. You know, I say thank you for sharing this trade to us. You know, I'm saying. I also say thank you to you guys. You know, I'm saying. You know. So today video, guys, I'm going to show you how I was able to find this trade, so that you can be able to understand how to use market analysis in a proper way. I'm going to break it down, guys, all the secrets, you know, say all the secrets that I saw in the market, and all the key levels, guys, that I'm using in a market to kill the market. No cap, you know, your boy here, guys. I want to make sure, guys, everybody can be able to make money by his own. That's why I'm sharing all the secrets that I'm using in the market, you know, say all my skills, you know, saying. As I said to you guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to trade for free. You know, I say, I don't know what's going on right here. You know, I'm having some people. Anyways, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can be able to be making money in a Forex market for free right here on my YouTube channels. You know, I say, so if you already subscribe to this YouTube channel, you are at the right place. You know, I say. So, and if you are not in a free Telegram group, you better join, because I'm going to be sharing with you guys the trading ideas, you know what I'm saying, and you're going to be mastering how I catch my entry point, so that you can be able to do the same as well, you know what I'm saying. So without wasting your time, let's get to the video. But make sure like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Let's get to the video. So guys, this is how I was able, guys, to catch 280 pips, you know what I'm saying, trading. Always remember, guys, before you do the market analysis, look at the market direction first. So in this trade, we were trading GBP NSD, and this is how I was able to find to find this trade, as I'm about to show you. First thing first, guys, as you can see here, we on 4 hours time frame. First thing first, you can see here, guys, the market has been, you know, moving at the zone. You know what I'm saying? Here, as you can see here, we had, let me show you nicely. We had first touch at the zone, you know what I'm saying, gave us another second touch and drop at this point here, you know what I'm saying. And we got the 30 touch here and drop again at this point right here. So every single second, guys, every single time you see something like this, you know, say market bounce 3 times to the same zone, this is a good opportunity for you to make money with this type of the market. And then after that, after I saw that, I was like, okay, cool. So I saw that we have another zone here, because this is where the market has been bouncing at without breaking. You know, say we had this zone right here as well. So after that, I was like, okay, cool. So now we're gonna be waiting for the market to show some good confirmation right here, some good confirmation right here, so that we can buy the market. But the market didn't give us any confirmation here. What the market did is the market just decided to break this this zone right here. Let me show you what the market did here. You can see the market came this point here, you know, push up and came back here. It was trying to push up but it couldn't, and came back here. This is where I was waiting some beautiful confirmations, but the market didn't give to me, and then the market decided to break out the zone right here. Then I was like, cool, it's all right. So since the market has done this, it's cool. Let me be patient. You know what I say? I had to be patient, guys. And then I switched on 1 hour time frame. You know what I say? Then I was like, cool. Since the market doesn't, it's already break out, I'm gonna be waiting for some retest right here. And then, guys, I got some retest right here. But I didn't trust the retests because I had to see some really confirmations that the retest it's been done. You know what I'm saying? Then I put my another zone here. You know what I'm saying? I got the first touch as well right here on 1 hour time frame. First touch here, first touch, and I got a second touch and third touch here. And all this moment, guys, I was not around the market. You know what I'm saying? Which the market dropped. When I come to the market was already moved at this point. Then I was like, damn. But second day I came back to the market was already give us the pullback at the same zone, which is here. All right. And then after I find the market at this zone right here, then I was like, you know what, we're expecting two things. Since the market has been bouncing to this zone for like four times, maybe the market is gonna, it's gonna break out again as a uptrend like this. But I was like, if I look at the market structure, the market is on downtrend. You know what I'm saying? The market is on downtrend. So which means we're expecting the market to drop at this point here. And what I did is, guys, I've been waiting for some beautiful candlestick right here. You know what I'm saying? In order to enter this market right here as a sell. What I did is I told my team like, yo, guys, we now waiting for like since the market is already back to the zone, let's wait. The market is going to already give us some pullback. Here's the pullback. You can see the market did drop as if it's going to sell, but it did give us some pullback here. But the market failed to continue, going up. Then decided to come back at this point. Then I was like, you know what? Here, I told my team like, yo, I told my free Telegram group, I told them like, yo, guys, this one right here, it's going to be a very good opportunity, which we're going to move something about 280 pips. So all we need to do is we're going to put the stop loss right here, and our take profit is going to be this one over here, which was something about, let me show you. It was something about 208 pips to this point here. You know what I'm saying? So the reason of taking this entry right here that I'm about to share with you is this one right here. This was the reason of taking this trade right here. You can see that the market has been bouncing to the same zone first time. You know what I'm saying? This was the second time. Follow me? 30 times, 40 times, which for the pullback. And then this is where it was entered the market here and kill somehow how much pips? 208 pips to this point right here. So you can do this every single day. You know what I'm saying? You can do this every single day. You just go on chart, you look for the market which has already bounced 3 times to the zone, then do the same thing over and over. You're going to be profitable with this strategy right here. This strategy is going to help you to make money at Forex market easy. I tried to make it easy, guys. I didn't want to show you many confused things. You know what I'm saying? This is just a zone strategy. no trend line needed. It's just zone strategy. You know what I'm saying? You wait. Once the market bounce 3 times on the same zone, then you enter. You put your stop loss, you know what I'm saying, somewhere here, you know what I'm saying. But before you enter the market, always make sure you got confirmations candlesticks right here. As you can see here, if you switch on 30-minute time frame, you will see some confirmations candlesticks here. You can see them. This was our first confirmation candlesticks, this was another one, and this was another one, and this was another one, you know what I'm saying. And after that, you can see we dropped. So if you like this the tips that I'm giving to you right now on this YouTube channel, and you're new to the channel, please leave the subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be sharing with you guys many secrets on this channel, and you're going to gain a lot of things from this channel right here. So make sure you subscribe and like the video, and join the free Telegram group, because I also share many secrets over there, you know what I'm saying, about the chart, you know what I'm saying. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, guys, and see you on the next one, guys. Peace out.